In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out when your LinkedIn account was created. This process is quick and straightforward, taking about 5 minutes, and you just need a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, let's open your preferred web browser and head over to the LinkedIn homepage by typing in linkedin.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. You can do this by signing in with your Google or Microsoft account, or alternatively by entering your email address and password. If you have multiple email addresses, make sure you're using the one associated with your LinkedIn account to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, go ahead and look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there, click on it. This action will open up a drop-down menu that gives you various options. What we're interested in today is accessing your profile page, which you can do from this menu. On your profile page, you'll notice several options available to you. What you're going to do next is look for the resources button and click it. It's generally located near the top of your profile page, so it should be easy to spot. After you click resources, more options will appear, offering further details about your account. Here, you'll want to find and select the option labeled about this profile. A pop-up window will appear, providing you with some enlightening information about when your LinkedIn journey began. You should see the month and year you joined LinkedIn displayed here. However, if you're curious about the exact date you created your LinkedIn account, there's just a bit more digging required. Go ahead and click on your profile picture again, returning to the drop-down menu. This time you're going to select Settings and Privacy. This area contains more detailed information about your data and how it's managed. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, navigate to the Data Privacy area. Look for an option labeled How LinkedIn Uses Your Data and give it a click. This will lead you to an area where you can manage your data and activity. Now you're getting closer to pinpointing the exact date. Click on Manage Your Data and Activity. This action will show you a list of your activities and interactions since joining LinkedIn. Scroll down to the very last page of your activity list. Here you will see the You Joined LinkedIn date, which gives you the exact details you were after. That's all it takes to discover when your LinkedIn account was created. We hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. If you have any further questions or would like more such tutorials, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.